Hi, this is Anne. Today I'm going to use this as a template. I made this with gold leaf and modeling paste, and I'm just going to use my glue gun for this and try and replicate this without the fuss, because it was something from it was another story to try and take out that gold leaf all in between and putting on the gold leaf glue and everything. So I just want to make it less complicated. Just know this is going to make your hand a little bit sore, but yeah, so I'm just going to go. I'm not worrying if I don't fill up all these branches. And if I go my own way, that's fine, I don't mind, because I'm going to paint over everything, so it doesn't really matter if I don't fill it up exact. You can just make yourself maybe a nice template. So without further talking, I'm just going to do this off camera, not to bore you, and I'll come back when I'm finished. So all that you do is you just fill up all these branch lines. Okay, now I'm just going to let it dry quickly and then I'll paint over this. Okay, I decided not to use my blue acrylic. I'm going to use this chalker paint, Sheriff's Stone. I think my gold will grip a little bit more onto the paint. Give it one coat, let it dry, give it another coat, and then I will come back and I will show you what I'm going to do with the gold. So I'm just going to quickly paint these 2 coats and then I'll see you. I've got this 4 golds here. This is an art line, and this is a Liquitex, and this is a Pintor, and I've got this one as well. But I think I'm going to go with my metallic ink. I think it will be a nicer gold for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to touch the raised areas. And I will make some places thinner and some places thicker as I go along. And if you did, I will definitely see you next time. It's quick and easy, and it makes a nice little gift. You can even make smaller ones and use it for gift tags, or frame it with a nice frame and give it to somebody for a present, or just do it a quick and easy little tree. I will definitely see you next time. Take care.